In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Hey, how's it going, guys? Jackson here with Internet Money Lifestyles, and what I do on this channel is I teach people how to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch. I'm a complete beginner. I've just started out this business, so this is pretty much a follow along with me type of channel. And if you're interested in starting your very own online affiliate marketing business,
be sure to smash that like button
on this video. It'll greatly help me out. Then also
subscribe and hit that notification bell,
because then you'll be able to keep up to date with all the information that I'm going to be feeding you guys on how I started from complete scratch, from zero. I'm broke. We're going to try to scale up to 10K a month. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going over the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Now, this was created by the man himself, Jonathan Montoya, also known as Passive Income Lifestyles on YouTube. Now, I just recently went through this challenge and had a fantastic time.
Very nice.
Building out my business with this 3-day challenge. I think it is absolutely incredible for any beginner that is looking to get started in building their own online affiliate marketing business. Now, just to prove that this isn't just some scam of a course that I'm just trying to promote to you guys, this guy himself, Jonathan Montoya, I found him back in November of 2019. He started his business in May of 2019, and I believe July 2021, this man hit over 6 figures in sales. I mean, he's absolutely killing it. In 1 month, he did 6 figures. So this guy knows what he's doing. If you want to see right here, he's doing an amazing job with his YouTube channel. He's at 30,000 subscribers. I remember when I first started him, he was less than 10,000. I mean, I think he was in like the 8,000, 7,000 subscriber range. So he has grown exponentially since then. But more than that, he is absolutely crushing it in the affiliate marketing business. So this isn't some fly-by-the-night, guru that you're going to find on a Facebook ad. I mean, I'm sure he's running ads, but he's not just like one of those guys that is trying to flash his Lambo, flash his house, and do all that.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
This guy's legit building a sustainable online passive income business. So he knows how to start from complete scratch. I mean, I'm telling you, he started this back in May of 2019, and here we are in 2021, and he's doing 6 figures in sales a month. In 1 month. Okay, so let's hop on over here to my computer here, and we can kind of see the back end of this 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Okay, so this is it right here. If you go through, and I think I forgot to mention that this challenge only cost
$7
to get started. That's right,
$7
to go through this full 3-day course. This is it right here. You can see this box right here. I'm going to highlight it here on the screen. Bada bing, bada boom, bam. There it is. That's everything you get
for $7.
Now, as you can see, this isn't just some cheapo depot course. You got day 1, 37-minute long video. At the end, she's going to have homework for you to do. Man, I mean, the day 1 is really discussing kind of what affiliate marketing is and how you can benefit from it and how you can start an online business. Like I said, and at the end of the day, it gives you homework. So this kind of, if you're new or even if you're not new to affiliate marketing, you've been trying it for a while but haven't seen any success, this is where you'll really understand the concept of what affiliate marketing is.
Knowledge.
You'll kind of understand it. You'll find your why, reason why you want to start your online business. I think day 1 is good for just kind of a baseline, everything you need to know for an affiliate marketing business, how to get started, what exactly you're going to see over the next 2 days. And it's a good baseline. Day number 2 is all about setting up your business. Okay, so basically this takes you step by step, literally click by click. As you can tell, this video is 38 minutes long, okay? So you do need to set aside maybe about an hour or 2 every day if you plan on doing this challenge, but I promise you that it is worth it, because here he's going to take you through on exactly how you can set up your business. I'm talking set up your funnel, setting up your email responder, to setting up your email follow-up sequence. And if you don't know what all that is, it's okay, because he explains it in depth in every single one of these videos. It just does an amazing job. Whereas I feel like with a lot of other courses, people try to cut corners and just trying to give you like the basics so that way you can't really be successful. What Jonathan Montoya is doing is he's really giving you step by step exactly what you need to do, and it just simplifies it so much for somebody who has no idea what they're doing.
90% of the time, I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.
To show you exactly the steps you need to take to set up your business. And then finally, for day number 3, he talks all about traffic. Okay, so day number 3 is got to be the most important and crucial day of all days, or anything related to an affiliate marketing course. And it's all about driving traffic so you can get customers to your funnel, to your offer. Anybody can set up an affiliate marketing business, but you have to be able to get people to your affiliate marketing offer. It's really like anything. If you want to start a business, sure, you can set up the best business in the entire world, but if you don't have people coming there to your business, you're not going to make any money or any sales or be profitable. Business isn't going to last. So day number 3 here is super important and crucial. As you can see, it's right here. It is the longest day out of all the days, but that is because it is so necessary. And once again, Jonathan does not cut corners, and he teaches you how to use organic methods and paid methods. So he does a fantastic job with that. Okay, and just some awesome bonuses that Jonathan has. After you go through this 3-day challenge, is next on the list is become a Freedom Breakthrough affiliate. So basically, if you want to become an affiliate for this program right here, you can actually partner with Jonathan and start promoting his stuff. As you can see here, 50% commissions. So if you get somebody to sign up for the 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge, $7, you earn $3.50. But the coolest part about this program is, say you get somebody to sign up for the 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge, which is only
$7.
and then that person that you signed up, that you got to sign up with your link, then decides to buy his Freedom Breakthrough, which is $1,000, you earn the commission. So 50% of that is $500, and you get that for life. So anything that Jonathan comes out with through this program for the rest of his life, you're going to earn the commission as long as they signed up through your affiliate link. So really, really awesome for those of you that want to promote this as well. And then finally, guys, this has got to be one of the best bonuses he has with this 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge, is he has this bonus that says right here, get my white label funnel and ebook. So basically, you get to take his funnel that he made and then white label it to yourself, and then you get to promote it as your very own funnel. And he gives you the ebook that he made to where you can go in, you can change all the affiliate links so that way you earn the commissions. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we are on my website. As you can see here, we're at internetmoneylifestyle.com. This is the funnel that you're gonna get right here, and this is actually mine. So if you go down the link below and you wanna get started with this 3-day challenge, this is what you're gonna be brought to. You're gonna get to download this ebook for free. You know, just put in your email. You're going to go here. You're going to put all your information in, and then you're going to get access to the next page. And then from there, it's probably going to be, you'll see how it all works. But this is exactly what you are going to get, except you're going to get to put your information in here. Like here, I put in my logo, but instead you're going to get to put your logo. So all of this is going to be yours. And then finally, guys, I just wanted to show you this real quick. This is the ebook that Jonathan actually made. This is it, the full thing. But what's super cool about this is that this ebook that he made, he gives us permission to white label it, which means we get to put our information in this and basically promote it as our own. That's what white labeling is. And if you go here and you click one of the links on that ebook, boom, it brings you to this page, which guess what? If you look right up here, this is my affiliate ID. So I earn that commission if somebody were to click that link in that ebook, and you can do the exact same thing. You can set it up exactly how I set it all up. All you have to do is go down in the link below, click that first link, and then get signed up for the 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge. I'm telling you, it's the most simple way to set up an affiliate marketing business. Jonathan Montoya does an excellent job. I highly, highly recommend it. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for this review. Go get started. Achieve your dreams. You know, don't wait any longer. If you want to build a life that you deserve, you want to build passive income, you want to start an online business, be your own boss, quit your 9-to-5, go down in the link below and get started. You know, there's so many people that they just sit around and say, oh, I'll get to that to a later time. Then they never take action and get started. I'm just here to push you guys. Get started. Go down to the description below. I want to see you guys be successful, and also I want to be in touch with y'all. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below. See y'all next time.